The Dell Inspiron 153511 is a budget-friendly laptop released in 2021. Here are some of its specifications. Processor, 11th Gen Intel Core i5-1135 G7 processor. Operating system, Windows 10 Home. Display, 15.6-inch HD anti-glare LED backlit non-touch narrow border display. Memory, 8 GB DDR4 2666 MHz RAM. Storage, 256 GB M.2 PCIe NVMe solid-state drive. Graphics, Intel Iris Xe graphics with shared graphics memory. Battery, 3-cell, 42-wear, integrated battery. Dimensions, height, 18.0 mm, width, 363.96 mm, depth, 249 mm. Weight, 1.83 kilograms. Overall, the Dell Inspiron 153511 is a mid-range laptop that offers decent performance for everyday tasks such as web browsing, document editing, and light gaming. Its relatively lightweight design and long battery life also make it a good option for those who need a portable device for on-the-go use. However, its display resolution is lower than many other laptops in its price range, which may be a drawback for those who prioritize screen quality.